Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2021 Ford Transit Luton. Now this one here does come to you with 50,000 miles on the clock, a 3 cloth-lined seat setup, as well as a load area at the back, which I will just show you. So if I do just step on and use the remotes just here, just to raise ourselves up. As you can see, inside it is extremely spacious in here. We do have some space above the cargo area as well. To show you the controls just there, I will just hop down. Once again, we do also have the controls just here to operate the machinery, and I will just show you the load area, the cab, sorry. So as you can see, seats that I mentioned earlier, manual transmission as well there for you. If you would like to find out more about this Luton, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. If you're watching this on YouTube, the link will be in the description below. If not, then please do feel free to head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more.